In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide formulas in Google Sheets, making it easier for you to share your spreadsheets without revealing all the calculations behind the scenes. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet where you want to hide the formulas. After opening your sheet, take a moment to identify the cells where your formulas are located. Once you're ready, go ahead and select the cells containing the formulas you wish to hide. It's important to remember that hiding formulas can protect your work and preserve the integrity of your data when you share your sheet with others. With the desired cell selected, your next step is to click on the Data option located in the top menu bar of Google Sheets. From the drop-down menu, select Protected Sheets and Ranges. This feature allows you to create rules to restrict how cells can be edited, offering an extra layer of security to your formulas. Once you click on Protected Sheets and Ranges, a new sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. In this sidebar, you'll want to look for the option labeled Add a Sheet or Range. Click on this option to begin setting up your protection rules. If it's your first time using this function, the sidebar will guide you through the process. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. In the sidebar, you'll notice a field labeled Range. This will likely be pre-filled with the cell references you initially selected. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Set Permissions. A new dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose who can edit these protected cells. To best hide your formulas, change the permission settings to restrict editing to only yourself or a select group of collaborators. You can even add a description if you'd like to remind yourself of what these protections are for. With the permissions set, you've effectively hidden your formulas from other users. Now only those with the right permissions can view or edit those specific cells containing the formulas. To add a final touch and truly seal any prying eyes, consider removing access to the sheet or certain sections for collaborators who do not need to see this part of the data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide formulas in Google Sheets, creating a more secure and professional-looking document. I hope this guide enhances your Google Sheets experience and makes you more confident in sharing your work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for even more tips and tricks.